Hello children, how are you all? Yes, I hope you're all fine. I welcome you all to our English class. Today we are going to start lesson number 3. Look before you leap. What's our lesson name? Look before you leap. Let's start today's class. Yes children, read the lesson name along with me. Look before you leap. What's our lesson name? Look before you leap. Good. In this lesson, we are going to see 3 things. Let's see the overview first. Okay, we are going to see the 3 things. Number 1, we are going to read a story about a rabbit and a lion. Number 2, we are going to learn how to talk about ongoing actions. And number 3, we are going to learn words that name people and animals. Okay. These are the overview of this lesson. Now let's start the lesson with a pep activity. Okay, where could we find the pep activity? In the beginning of each lesson as well as in the beginning of each topic. Am I right? That's good children. Okay, before starting any activity, first of all we should read the instructions. Okay, here they have given 2 instructions that we are going to read those instructions. After reading, let's do the activity. Okay, read along with me. Observe these pictures. Observe these pictures. What do you think the lion is thinking in each picture? What do you think the lion is thinking in each picture? Write your thoughts in the bubbles. Write your thoughts in the bubbles. Okay, I hope you understood the instruction. Yes? Good children. First of all, we should observe the two pictures. Okay, picture number 1 and picture number 2. We are going to observe. After observing, we are going to write what would the lion is thinking when it was jumping and what would the lion is thinking by standing beside the lake. Okay? Yes. Here I have given you 2 examples. By seeing that you can write your own example. Okay, I am just giving you an idea only. This is not the exact answer what you should copy. No, you should not copy. Okay, you have to write your own idea. I'll give you first example. Yes, look at here. The sentence, first sentence I have given here one example. I can jump and eat this crocodile. What was the lion is thinking? I can jump and eat this crocodile, like that, just thinking and jumping. Okay. In the second picture, what is happening here? The lion is standing and thinking something. Let's see what it is. Yes, I have given you an example. If I jump, I will sink. If I jump, I will sink. This is one example. Or it may be thinking like this. I don't know to swim. I don't know to swim. If I jump, what will happen? I will sink in the lake. Am I right? Yes. So before doing anything, we should think and then we have to act. That is what the theme given here. Okay, next, let's start the story. Are you all interested to listen to the story? Yes, I am also interested to listen to a story. So, what's a story name? The Rabbit and the Lion. The Rabbit and the Lion. Okay, let's start the story. Yes, whenever we start a story, if I read, you have to repeat along with me. If I say something, you can listen. Okay, children? Yes, dears. Now start reading the story. Let us now, are you all repeating? Yes, repeat along with me. Let us now read a story about a rabbit and a lion. Let us now read a story about a rabbit and a lion. Okay children, what's the story name? The rabbit and the lion. Let's see what's happening here. Repeat along with me children. A long time ago, there lived many animals in a jungle. What happened? A long time ago, many years ago, there lived many animals in a jungle. Jungle means what? A forest. Okay. There were monkeys, deer, rabbit, elephants and birds. What are the animals there? There were monkeys, deer, rabbit, elephants and birds. This is common, am I right? So if a forest is there, there will be many animals like monkeys, deer, rabbit, elephant and birds. Am I right? Yes children. So they lived together and were all happy. How are they living? They were living together. And were all happy. How are they feeling? They were all feeling happy. Okay children. One day, a cruel and greedy lion made his home in the jungle. What happened one day? One day a cruel and greedy lion made his home in the jungle. Cruel means very rude, cunning lion. And greedy means what? Everything is mine. That is the feeling of greediness. Okay. Everything is mine. I want everything. Everything is mine. That is the greedy habit. So one day a cruel and greedy lion made his home in the jungle. Okay. He killed many animals as and when it pleased him. If somebody is pleasing you, will you hurt them? No, I know children, you're all good, but this lion is not that good. Am I right? When the animals pleasing him also, this lion attacked that animal and it ate those animals. Okay. All the animals in the jungle were scared of him. What happened? All the animals in the jungle were scared. Scared means what? Let's see the meaning. Scared means filled with fear. Scared means what? Filled with fear. What are you scared of? Yes, I am afraid of lion, tiger, snake. Are you all afraid of those animals? Yes, children, they are all ferocious, very dangerous animals. Am I right? Yes, children. Scared means what? Filled with fear. Okay, let's come back to the story. The animals had a plan. So, if you are scared of someone, if you are continuously hurt by someone, what will you do? You will be planning to get escape from that person. Am I right? Same way, these animals also planning. What was their plan? Let us see. They spoke to the lion about this. They spoke to the lion about this. What? They spoke to the lion about about the animals killed by the lion. Okay. Each day, one animal would go to the lion's den to be his meal. So what was their plan? Each day, one animal would go to the lion's den to be his meal. So this was their plan. Okay, each day one animal will go to the lion's den, so that what happened? If they are going like that, means in return, the lion would stop killing many animals. So each day one animal will come to your den. So don't kill all the animals. That is what their request to the lion. So what will the lion do? The lion agreed to this, because the lion no need to hunt anymore. Yes, children, without hunting, without doing anything, it is getting the food daily. It is going to get the food daily. So it agreed. The lion agreed to their plan. One day, what happened? It was a rabbit's turn to go. Each day one animal would go, no? First day maybe the monkey's turn, second day maybe the deer turn, the third day, one day whose turn it is? It is a rabbit's turn. It is a rabbit's turn to go. He hopped very slowly. Very slowly it was hopping. He did not want to go. If you are there, if you are a rabbit, would you go faster to be the lion's meal, to be the lion's food? No, we will not go. Am I right? We will not be willing to go there. So the rabbit also going very slowly. The lion was very angry because the rabbit was late. So each day one animal would go. At that day, it was the rabbit's turn to go. But what happened? The rabbit was hopping very slowly and it was not willing to go there. It did not want to go. So the lion was very angry because of the rabbit was late. The lion was very hungry. So what happened? Look at the picture. The lion was roaring at the rabbit. Look here. Why are you so late? The lion was asking, why are you so late? Roared the lion. The lion's roaring means what? Look here. Roared means made a deep sound. The sound will make us scared. Okay, that is the sound of the lion is roar. What is the sound of the lion? Roared. Why are you so late? Roared the lion. The rabbit was shivering. Look at the rabbit, it is shivering. Shivering means what? Shaking because of fear. So the rabbit was shivering, shaking its body because of fear. So he looked scared. Look at the rabbit, it was so scared about the lion. Am I right? Yes, the rabbit did not know what to say. It does not know what to say also. What should he say? He don't know. He then replied somewhat. He managed and replied, I am late because of the other lion in the jungle. I am late because of the other lion in the jungle. Why was the rabbit late? Because of the other lion in the jungle. Is it true? Other lion in the jungle. Let's see what happened next. Another lion in my jungle? Roared the lion. So another lion in my jungle? Roared the lion. What happened? The another lion. Where is the another lion? Another lion in my jungle. The lion was so angry. Take me to him at once. Take me to him at once. At once means one time, take me to that lion. So the rabbit took the lion deep into the jungle. The rabbit took the lion deep into the jungle. Deep into the jungle in the sense, inside the jungle. The rabbit is taking the lion to a long distance. Okay. They came to a big well. What happened? They came to a big well. This is the well. Look here. This is the well. Rabbit is hiding here. There is sorry, there is the other lion. There is the other lion. The rabbit is showing that another lion is in the well. Okay, there is the other lion. The rabbit pointed towards the well. The rabbit shown that the other lion is in the well. So lion is trying to looking at the another lion. The lion looked into the well. Into the well means inside the well. The lion is looking at. He saw another lion looking back at him from the water. From the water, another lion, look here, another lion is there. Another lion is looking at him from the water. He roared with rage. He roared with rage. Rage means what? Extreme anger. Extreme anger. With more angry it is. The lion in the water roared back at him. What happened? When the lion was roaring, this lion also roaring back at him. I am the only king of this jungle. He screamed. So this lion is screaming. Screaming means what? Shouting. Okay, shouting out of fear or anger. That is called screaming. So the lion is screaming that what? I am the only king of this jungle. It is asking, who are you? I am the only king of this jungle. How did you come here? Like that it is asking to the another lion. So after asking what happened, the lion jumped into the water to attack the other lion. By seeing the lion repeating whatever he does, so it is getting angry. If someone is repeating whatever we are doing, someone is imitating means we will also get anger, no? Same way the lion reached the extreme anger. So the lion jumped into the water to attack the other lion. So the lion, what happened? The lion jumped into the water. He did not know that he was attacking his own reflection. So the lion was attacking who? Yes, his own reflection in the water. Reflection means what? An image seen in a mirror or shiny surface. In mirror, if you see the mirror while dressing up, what will happen? You can see your reflection. Am I right? Yes, that is what here also. The lion drowned into the well. What happened? The lion drowned into the well. Drowned means sink. It was drowned into the well. He was never heard of again. So the lion drowned into the well and he was never heard of again. Never heard of again means the lion died. The rabbit returned happily to his burrow. What happened here? Let's see. The rabbit returned happily to his burrow. Burrow means the home of the rabbit. Okay. All the other animals were surprised to find him alive. Which animal goes to the lion's den that will never come back because of the lion which ate all the animals? Am I right? If we are going to the lion's den, what will happen? It will eat us. Will we come back? No. Same way, which animal went to the lion's den? All the animals were died. But this rabbit came alive back to its burrow. So it was a great surprise for all the animals. Surprise means what? Surprise means felt shocked. Felt shocked. So the rabbit told them about the trick that he played on the lion. So all this happened was the trick, the plan of the rabbit. Am I right? Yes, children. How clever the rabbit is. Am I right? Yes. All the animals cheered and hugged the rabbit. All the animals were so happy, very happy, and hugged the rabbit. They called him clever and smart. What did they call him? They called him clever and smart. Okay, we are finally free, said a deer. We are finally free. The only animal which hunted all the animals were what? The lion. The only animal which hunted all the animals is the lion. that only animal also died. So everybody are happy. Look before you leap, said an owl wisely. Leap means what? Jump. Look means see. Look before you leap. Before you jump, take a look. That is, think before you act. What is the moral of our story? Think before you act. Okay, children? Did you like this story? Yes, did you enjoy the story? Yes, I hope you have enjoyed the story. So first what happened? Let's have a small recap. The rabbit and the lion is the story name. Long time ago there lived many animals in the jungle. When they were living happily, there came a cruel and greedy lion which hunted all the animals, killed many animals. So because of that, all animals made a plan. Because of that plan, each day one animal will go to the lion's den to be its meal. That is their plan. In return, if they do like that, means the lion will stop killing many animals. That is the return help the lion will do. So the lion agreed to this, since it does not want to go for hunting. Okay. So after that, what happened? One day it was the rabbit's turn. When the rabbit was hopping very slowly, the lion was very angry because of the rabbit was late. So the lion, when it asked for the reason, the rabbit said that there was another lion in the jungle. Where is the another lion? Show it to me. Like that the lion asked. When it asked, what happened? The rabbit shone a big well in the forest. In that well, the lion was trying to attack its own reflection in the water of the well. So at that time it fell inside the well and it died. Okay. After it died, what happened? All the animals were happy and also they were lived freely. Am I right? Finally they were all free and happy. The moral of the story is? Now you tell me the moral of the story. Yes, very good children. Think before you act. Look before you leap. Okay children. Now here they have given some facts about the rabbit. Let us see what it is. Did you know, whenever you see a light purple color box, there will be a fact. Rabbits have long ears. You know already. Look at this rabbit. It has long ears. It is short, but the rabbit's ears are long. These can turn in any direction. Any direction can be turned. Can we turn our ears? No, we can't turn, but the rabbit can turn its ear in any direction. When rabbits are happy, they jump and twist their body. Can you twist your body? No, as we are all human beings, we can't twist our body. But the rabbit can twist their bodies when they are happy. This is the fact given here. Yes. In next page, what do you think the lion saw? What do you think the lion saw? What is the answer? Yes, very good children. The lion saw its own reflection. This is the reflection. This is the reflection in the water. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed the story. Let's go to the next page. Look deep activity. What activity is this? Look deep activity. Discuss in class, how did the rabbit escape from the lion? How did the rabbit escape from the lion? The rabbit escaped from the lion by, yes, by having a clever plan. Next one. Tick your response. This shows us that the rabbit was clever. We know that. From this story, what are we trying to know? What are we coming to know? First one is, we must act without thinking. Without thinking, we should act. Is it right? No. We must think before we act. Is it right? Yes. Very good, children. Now question time. What's our activity now? Question time. Why did the animals in the jungle live in fear? Why did they live in fear? They were scared of other animals. Is it so? Are they scared of other animals? No, they were all living happily. They were scared of the lion. Is it right? Yes, they were scared of the lion. Very good. Did the lion really see another lion in the well? Is it right? No, the lion did not see another lion in the well. The answer is no. Okay? Okay, number 3. 2 words that describe the rabbit well are. What are the 2 words which we can use to describe about the rabbit? One is clever, another one is smart. The rabbit is clever and smart. Very good, children. Now let us match the following. Match the character in the story with the actions they performed. Here the characters has been given, here the actions has been given. So we have to match it. Okay. First of all, the lion. What did the lion do? What did the lion do? The lion jumped into the well. The lion jumped into the well. What did the owl do? The owl said, look before you leap. The owl said, look before you leap. What did the rabbit say? The rabbit saved all the other animals. The rabbit saved the other animals. Is it right? Yes, very good, children. Give another title for the story. You may think of a message from the story for this. So you can think about the message of the story and give a title. Already they have given the rabbit and the lion title. Am I right? So you give some other title. Very good, children. I will give you one example. Smart rabbit. Think before you act. These are the 2 example titles I have given. So you can think and write any title you like. Yes? Yes, children. Now let's go to the next activity. This is think and ink activity. Read the following situations. What will you do in each of these situations? Tick your response. First of all, read the situation and tick your response. Okay? Your friend breaks your pencil. If your friend breaks your pencil, what will happen? I will shout at my friend. I will break my friend's pencil. I will take a deep breath. Then I will tell my friend that it is fine. Which one will you do? Will you shout at your friend, or you will break your friend's pencil, or will you take a deep breath and tell that it is fine? Yes, what will you do? You will take a deep breath and tell your friend that it is fine. Don't worry. Unknowingly you did. Leave it. Like that you will say. Am I right? Yes, children, that is a good child's action. Okay, your parents allow you to play only after studying. After studying you can play. Like that your parents are saying. What will you do? Yes, I will shout and scream at them. Will you shout at your parents? No. I will think about it and I will agree as I understand that both are important. Already I said no. Put first thing first. Am I right? So you have to think and agree to them. I will run out to play without studying. Without studying, will you run out to play? No, that is a reactive people's habit. We should not do like that. Okay. Tell your partner the options that you ticked. Discuss when you ticked those options. Okay, why did you tick these options? You can discuss with your parents or family members. Okay, children. So, think time activity. How does it feel to think and then act? If you think and act, how will you feel? Yes, you will feel calm. or you will feel confident because you are thinking and acting, you are acting proactively, or you are a proactive child, as I said earlier in the leader in me. Am I right? Habit number 1, be proactive. So if you think and then if you act, you are the proactive child. Everyone will loves you. Am I right? Everyone will love you. Okay, children. So let's stop with these activities. I hope you all enjoyed our lesson. Am I right? I hope you all enjoyed the story. Kindly read the story, recall at once. In the next session, I will ask you to read. Okay? Okay, children. Thank you so much.